Hello guys.
Welcome.
Welcome to my room kasi the bear mama is on room.
Let's go. Magsalita ka. This is my room.
This is my room.
I hope you love it.
Yeah.
Anong ginagawa mo dito sa room? Yam! Yam! Hindi na. Mag-vlog talaga nito. Go.
Hello guys. I'm chicken again. I hurt my stomach. Ma,
Why?
I hurt my stomach.
Why?
Let's say I'm eating a vegetable, so I hurt my stomach.
Say bye-bye na here.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for...
Thank you, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Mga picture na. Sige, go. Dali. Kwento. Magsalita ka kasi vlog to vlog.
Okay. Hello. Chicken po right there. Kasi mas smell like suka ko. And tapos na tayo. Dala.
Nana.
Ano eh? Ma, a penguin.